Okay, here I am on the 20th of April 2018 in my allotment. Early in the morning, it's 7:30. It's a lovely sunny morning, quite warm. Well, it's about 12 degrees now, I think, 14 degrees. So I look around. My old greenhouse, my old wreck of a greenhouse. Have a look in my greenhouse inside. Now, there's potatoes growing in there, and I think they're just showing. Been a bit slow. Okay, and the front gate. Got some potatoes in there. Spinach in that line. This patch I'm going to use for courgettes in May, next month. That's the compost bin. Broad beans, which have been growing over winter, but they're not doing very well. It was so cold in the winter. Looking down the bottom, rhubarb, it's only been growing a couple of years. The old wood pile, Brussels sprouts coming to an end now, but they've been really good. Spinach also coming to an end, it'll be going to flower now. Looking down the end here, see my neighbours' broad beans. They've been overwintering and they're wonderful. Goodness knows what kind they are. Amazing. I'll have to ask him when I see him. Looking down the bottom, not much to see here. But we'll have a look. Just dug over, ready for planting something. Big tall conifer there, which came from Nat's garden many years ago. She did want it. I put it in as a little tree. It's huge now. There's actually an oak tree growing in the corner. I think that was growing in my little garden once, my little garden back home. It's a hazelnut tree. My old giant mountain bike, poor old thing. Yeah, that's about it really. Just have a look at the full view. Sun is quite low, so you can see my shadow. Okay, that's it. That's my allotment.